Close your eyes for a second and imagine you're not standing on the ground anymore. Imagine you are 600 feet in the air, soaring through a mountain pass at 60 miles per hour. You aren't watching a screen. You are there. Your heart is racing, your palms are sweating, and for the first time in your life, you finally understand what it feels like to have wings. This isn't science fiction. This is the reality of the DJI Goggles N3. If you've been following the drone world in 2026, you know that DJI just did something they almost never do. They didn't just release a cheaper version of a flagship product. They released a product that, in many ways, actually beats the expensive ones. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Today, we are going to dive into the ghost in the DJI lineup, the Goggles N3. We are going to find out why seasoned pilots are ditching their $500 headsets for this budget-friendly monster, and why, if you're a beginner in the USA, this might be the only piece of tech you need to buy this year. For years, the FPV, or first-person view experience, was locked behind a wall. You either had to spend a fortune on high-end gear, or you had to be a technical genius who could solder wires in your sleep. But then came the DJI Neo and the Avata 2. And now, we have the N3. This is the missing link. But don't let that entry-level label fool you. Over the next 30 minutes, we're going to peel back the layers of why the N3 is a total disruptor. We're going to talk about the eyeglass revolution, the O4 transmission wizardry, and the one feature that makes these goggles better for long-range flights than almost anything else on the market. Let's start with the most annoying problem in drone history: fog. If you've ever flown in Florida, Texas, or even a humid morning in the Midwest, you know the struggle. You're mid-flight, performing a beautiful cinematic orbit, and suddenly, your vision goes white. Your lenses are fogged. It's dangerous, it's annoying, and it ruins the shot. DJI's answer? The N3's one-tap defogging system. It's a dedicated internal fan that circulates air at the push of a button. It sounds simple, but for a pilot, it's a literal lifesaver. It's the difference between a successful mission and a crashed drone. Now, let's talk about the screen. Most high-end goggles use dual micro-OLED screens. They're sharp, sure, but they're small. They feel like you're looking through a pair of binoculars. The Goggles N3 takes a different approach. It uses a single, massive 1080p ultra-wide LCD. When you put these on, it's not like looking at a screen, it's like sitting in the front row of an IMAX theater. The 54-degree field of view is immersive in a way that's hard to describe until you see it. It fills your peripheral vision. It makes the world feel vast. But here is where the N3 wins the User Experience Award: glasses. If you wear prescription lenses, you know the pain of diopter adjustments. They're never quite right. They're blurry on the edges. Or worse, you have to buy custom lens inserts that cost another $100. The N3 was built for the everyman. The interior is so spacious that you just put them on over your existing glasses. No adjustments, no extra costs, no headaches. You just slide them on and you're in the cockpit. Under the hood, we have the O4 digital video transmission. This is DJI's crown jewel. We are talking about a 13-kilometer range in the US. That's nearly 8 miles.